on my Instagram lead ads form where I'm going to fill this form providing all the details, having the email of the user as test@pabblytunes.com, first name, last name, phone number and the city. Now let's click over this continue and submit button, and here you can see that the Instagram lead ads form is successfully submitted. Now let's move on towards my Google Sheet to check whether we are receiving the lead details over there or not. So right here I'm on my Google Sheet where you can see that I'm successfully receiving the details of my lead, having the same full name, same email address and the phone number and the city, which I have just filled over my Instagram lead ads form. So now you can see that I have successfully saved the data of my leads over the Google Sheet. So now you can also do it by creating an automation using Pabbly Connect, which can be built in without requiring any coding or technical skills within few minutes. And now let me show you how you can also create this automation by using Pabbly Connect. And for that, you have to move towards the workflow page of Pabbly Connect with me. So right here I'm on the workflow page of Pabbly Connect, which you can get by typing its URL over the new tab, that is pabbly.com/connect, and once you will enter the URL you will land to the home page of Pabbly where you will see two options, that is sign in and sign up free. So if you are a new user or logging account over the Pabbly Connect first time, then you can just click over the sign up free, and if you sign up your account for free over the Pabbly Connect, you get 100 free tasks every month. And Pabbly Connect is currently offering you the free trial. So start using it now, and if you are an existing user then you have to click over the sign in. And if you like this automation and want to create it for your business too, then I have bought this amazing offer for you. So right on the screen you can see this discount coupon code, that is STUYT, which is going to provide you heavy and exclusive discounts on yearly and lifetime subscription plans of Pabbly. So make sure to use it, as this discount coupon code is going to provide you the heaviest discount compared to other discount coupon code. Now let's move on towards the workflow page where we are getting this option for selecting the trigger. So here I will be selecting my trigger application as Instagram lead ads, as I want to initiate this workflow as soon as I receive a new lead over my Instagram lead ads. And now here I'm going to select my app event as new lead instant. Now we just have to click over this connect button, and right here we are on the connection page where for building a new connection you just have to click over this add new connection button. Now let's connect with Instagram lead ads. And right here I'm going to select the Facebook account connected with my Instagram account. So I'm going to just click over this continue button, and as I have clicked over this, again I'm going to click over this continue button, and here you can see that my connection has been built in so smoothly. And here on my Facebook account I have created this page named as the Magic Makers, which I'm going to use. So right here I'm going to select the page through which I want to receive my new leads. So here I have selected the page. Now let's select the form as new leads, and here I have selected this form as I want to receive the leads of this particular form only. And if you want to receive the leads of all the forms created under this particular page, then you can even select all lead gen forms also. Now let's select the response format as simple and click over the save and send test request. And right here the status is changed to waiting for webhook response. So now let's move on towards my meta for developers page and receive a new response. So for that you have to move towards the resources and select this option of developer tools. And right here we are on the developer tools page where you have to select this tool, that is lead ads RTO debug tool, which will lead you to the lead ad testing tool page, where I'm going to select my page as the Magic Makers, and here I'm going to select my form as new leads. And now let me click over this preview form button, but if you are having any previous lead then you have to delete the previous lead. And now here I'm going to just click over this preview form button, and here I'm getting my form which I'm going to fill again. So here I have filled this form having the email address of the user, the first name, last name, phone number and the city. Now let's click over this continue and submit button for submitting this form, and here you can see that my form has been successfully submitted. Now let's move on towards my Pabbly Connect to check for the lead details. So right here, I'm on my Pabbly Connect, where you can see 10 seconds ago we have received this response, that is response A, and this response consists of all the fields which we have just filled over our Instagram lead ads form. Now as we are having the data, I'm going to add this data to my Google Sheet. So here I'm going to select my action application as Google Sheet. Now let's select the app event as add new row. Now we just have to click over this connect button, and here for building the new connection, you have to sign up with your Google account, but I'm going to use my existing connection. And here the connection has been built in, and we have to select the spreadsheet. So here I have selected the same spreadsheet where I want to save the data of my Instagram leads. And now here we are getting this field for entering the full name of my lead. So now you might be thinking that I'm going to manually type it like this, but no, here I'm going to perform a method provided by Pabbly Connect, that is mapping. So mapping is basically inserting the data from the previous step so that you don't have to enter your values again and again, as mapping makes the field dynamic. So here I'm going to map all these fields, and these fields will be dynamic, means these are going to replace with every new single form submission received over your Instagram lead ads. And now for the mapping, you have to select the field and press the slash symbol. And right here we are getting a previous application. So from its response, I'm going to map the first name, provide the space, and I'm going to map the last name of my lead. So here I have mapped it. Now likewise, I'm going to map the email and the rest of the details. So here I have mapped all these fields. Now let's click over the save and send test request, and right here we are receiving this positive response which demonstrates that the data might be saved to the Google Sheet. So now let's move on towards my Google Sheet. So right here I'm on my Google Sheet, where you can see that I'm successfully receiving this lead detail, having the full name, new lead, email, phone number, and the city. And these details are the same as we have just filled over our Instagram lead ads form. So now as soon as someone will submit the Instagram lead ads form, the data will be automatically saved to the Google Sheet. So now you can also create this automation by just using Pabbly Connect and can integrate these applications. And not only these particular applications, you can also integrate many more amazing applications and can send WhatsApp messages to the leads as well, and so many more thousands of applications. So what are you waiting for? Start using Pabbly Connect now, and I have provided the link of the workflow which I have just created in the description box, so make sure to check it out. And don't forget to use the coupon code STUYT. So thank you for watching this video.
Not only this integration, you can build many more amazing automations like this by just using Pabbly Connect. So if you want to explore pricings and plans that fit your needs, then you can visit the link given over here. And if you have any queries or need assistance, then you can mail us at the email provided. And if you found this video really helpful, then like, share and subscribe our channel for more such automation tutorials. So thanks for watching.